Hola chicos, vamos a hablar sobre las palabras interrogativas. Necesitan tomar notas en sus cuadernos. What are interrogative words? Are interrogative words verbs? Are they actions? Are they asking questions? Do we still remember that from Spanish 1? So, tomar notas. You guessed it correct. Interrogative words are question words that are used in Spanish. Escribir en sus cuadernos las palabras interrogativas. Also, make sure that you notice that every interrogative word does have an acento in every single word. So every interrogative word does have an accent mark. Make sure you write these in your notebook. But what do these mean? Do we remember what they mean in English? How would we know what we're asking? Well, ¿qué? Goes to what? ¿Cómo? Goes to how or what. ¿Quién? Goes to who. ¿Con quién? Goes with whom. ¿Dónde? Where. ¿Cuántos? Or cuántas? How many. ¿A dónde? To where. ¿De dónde? From where. ¿Cuál? Which or what. ¿Por qué? Why. And ¿cuándo? When. When we are asking questions with interrogative words, you need to put the verb before the subject. So my verb, which is bebe, is before Javier. So my interrogative word is followed by the verb, which is followed by the subject. What you're going to do now is I've scrambled a question for you. I want you to write the question in the proper way that it should be written. So in the correct structure. So go ahead in your notebooks and on the iPads, write the correct structured question. Great. Did you get ¿Cuándo vas tú al cine? If so, give yourself a high five because you did that correct. Question number 2. Another scrambled question. Did you do ¿Por qué estudia Julio inglés? If so, you're just awesome. Next scrambled question. Make sure you're doing them on your notebook and on the iPad. Did you have ¿Cuándo vas al cine? Your next scrambled question. You should have had ¿Qué haces tú después de clases? Your ¿qué is followed by your verb, which is conjugated. In the next section, I will show you a picture and a question. Your job is to translate the question and answer it, of course, in Spanish, not like we speak any other language in this class. Número 1. ¿Con quién está Kim? So don't forget to answer these in your notebook and on the iPad device. Número 2. ¿A dónde vas todos los días? ¿A dónde vas todos los días? Número 3. ¿Por qué vas al parque? ¿Por qué vas al parque? As you can see, I already did this one for you. Número 5. ¿De dónde es Phineas? ¿De dónde es Phineas? 6. ¿Quién es Honey Boo Boo? ¿Quién es Honey Boo Boo? 7. ¿Cuándo es el día de Navidad? ¿Cuándo es el día de Navidad? ¿Cuántos estudiantes hay en la clase? ¿Cuántos estudiantes hay en la clase? For this activity, I've given you the answers. Now you need to come up with the questions. So the first response that I gave you is, me gusta nadar. So go ahead in your cuadernos and on the iPads, make up the correct question that would go with this response. Me gusta nadar. Número 2. Hay 10 hojas de papel. Hay 10 hojas de papel. Once again, you are coming up with a question. Número 3. Soy de California. Soy de California. 4. ¿Vamos al parque? ¿Vamos al parque? 5. Porque me gusta nadar. Porque me gusta nadar. 6. Es Dora la exploradora. Es Dora la exploradora. Gracias, chicos. Si tienen preguntas, pregúntenle a la señora Bosenberg. Entregar el iPad y enseñar sus notas en su cuaderno. Adiós.